Hello, parents! Have you ever wondered if your baby's weight is on track? Are you looking for natural ways to support healthy weight gain? In today's video, we will break down the baby weight chart till 12 months for both boys and girls, and reveal the best foods to help your little one grow stronger, including the power of oats. Stay tuned till the end for expert-backed tips that will make feeding time easier and healthier. Let's get started. Here is the average baby weight range by age, along with important milestones for each month. Newborn 2.5 to 4 kilograms. Babies typically lose some weight in the first few days after birth, but regain it within 2 weeks. Skin-to-skin contact and frequent breastfeeding are important. 1 month, 3.4 to 5 kilograms. Your little one is growing beautifully, and every feed is a moment of love and nourishment. Ensure a proper latch while breastfeeding. Hold your baby close, and feed on demand to support this precious phase of development. 2 months, 4.4 to 6 kilograms. Your little one is becoming more aware of the world, locking eyes with you, and responding to your voice. These tiny moments of connection are priceless. Give them more tummy time to strengthen their muscles, preparing them for exciting milestones ahead. 3 months, 5 to 7.2 kilograms. That first adorable smile melts your heart, a sign that your baby is bonding with you. They are more interactive now, enjoying cuddles and cooing back at you. Establishing a soothing bedtime routine can help them sleep better, ensuring steady growth and development. Continue this pattern for the remaining months. Oats, the ultimate baby superfood. Oats are packed with fiber, protein, and healthy carbohydrates. They are perfect for steady weight gain without tummy troubles. Easy Oats recipe for babies. Take 2 tablespoons of oats. Cook in water or milk. Add mashed banana or dates for extra nutrition. More weight-gaining superfoods. Bananas, high in calories and potassium. Avocado, healthy fats for brain and weight gain. Sweet potatoes, energy-rich and easy to digest. Ragi, finger millet, full of iron for strong bones. Ghee, a powerhouse of healthy fats. Some extra tips for healthy weight gain. Feed your baby every 2 to 3 hours to ensure enough calorie intake. Encourage playtime, as movement builds muscles. Make sure they get enough sleep, as growth happens during rest. Continue breastfeeding or formula after 6 months for extra nutrition. Remember, every baby is different, and healthy weight gain is a journey. If you have concerns, consult your pediatrician. What is your baby's favorite food? Comment below to help other parents with food ideas. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more baby care tips.